Well, Hindustan Aeronautics has certainly been the cynosure of all eyes, as just recently, in a step to make the defense sector more self-reliant, the cabinet approved the procurement of the largest indigenous defense procurement deal worth 48,000 crore rupees, and this deal has been approved along with HAL. So they've essentially bagged the largest ever indigenous defense procurement deal to procure 83 indigenously developed LCA Tejas for the Indian Air Force, these aircraft. So it's definitely a big coup for the company, and today we connected with the management to understand a little bit more about it. So we spoke with Mr. R. Madhavan, who's the Chairman Managing Director at Hindustan Aeronautics, and he essentially said that bagging this order is definitely a huge game changer, not only for the company but for all of the vendors as well who supply to the company. It's a contract valued at 36,000 crore rupees for HAL, and the deal is going to give the company as well as 560 vendors a major boost. He also said that the company is very well equipped to meet the timelines by increasing their aircraft capacity from the current 8 per year to 16 per year, and they will be able to meet the timelines for the defense procurement deal very comfortably. They are currently setting up a phase 2 infrastructure in Bangalore, as well as 5 major suppliers whom they have partnered with, and therefore they are confident of meeting these timelines. They will be directly purchasing the engines from GE USA. Maintenance and facilities will be set up by the Air Force, according to Mr. Madhavan, at a later date. Now do remember, 50% of the parts are going to be manufactured indigenously, and that's going to go up to 60% by the end of the program. And the company said that they have all of their current production equipment, etc. in place to match this. But they also acknowledge that private and capital investment rather from the private sector is expected and is needed, and the vendors are going to provide features such as the avionics. They also said that it's not just these LCAs, they also have some orders for a couple of helicopters in the pipeline as well. They are very ambitious when it comes to their overall financials. They are looking at an order book at over 1.5 lakh crores. Currently it's at about 90,000 crores, and they do see a strong revenue growth as well, accelerating to about 12% a year-on-year revenue growth rate by 2025 year onwards. And he believes that all of the new projects that are coming in from the DRDO is going to ensure that their revenue growth will be strong. There have been steps in order to have reduced the import bill, but the management of HAL, Mr. Madhavan, believes that this is going to take a little bit of time, although Atmanirbhar Bharat as an initiative has boosted vendors coming into the aeronautics sector, but they need to look at exporting equipments as well as an area, and they are seeing good response from the international market. Also, what's the need of the hour is quicker order placement, delivery processes, and India's defense budget as a share of GDP is decreasing and is continuing to decrease. So Mr. Madhavan believes that you cannot only depend on budgetary support, you need to look at ordering at export orders as well, and continuity of orders needs to be visible to private players in order to invest in capital to set up their facilities. As of now, they believe that it's a long way to go to match up to the global defense players, but they have a number of MSME suppliers who have matured very smartly from the nascent stage, and this will help them to improve their position as a global defense equipment supplier in the long run.